Hey, it's Bob the Toolman here, and today I'm gonna do unboxing of BLACK+DECKER corded hammer drill BEH200. So let's check it out. It's a hammer action drill with keyless chuck and 500 watts of power. Country of origin is China, which normal for BLACK+DECKER products, with a 2-year guarantee of this product. This is a impact drill. It's designed for drilling in wood, metal, plastic and masonry, as well as for screw driving purposes. The drill is intended for DIY and home use. So let's see what's in the box. This is instruction manual and it's written in 11 languages, which is not so bad. Okay, this is the side handle, but this model it's not supplied with depth stop, which is not so good when you're drilling, the hole, so you don't have to control how deep you can go. And please don't forget to hit subscribe button and also the bell button so you get notification every time I upload a new video. Below in the description you can also find links where you can purchase this product on Amazon. So let's check some features of this product. This is the variable speed button, when you can control the speed of the drill. Also on the left hand side handle it's the lock on buttons so you can lock the variable switch button. Here up front it's a forward and reverse switch, so forward when you're drilling, reverse when you get back. Here we have the drilling mode selector. This is the when you drill with the metal drills and wood drill bits. On the other side was for drilling in concrete and masonry. Keyless chuck, it's up to 13 millimeters, and here we have the side handle. You can fit on the left side and as well on the other side. It's a little bit difficult to fit in, it's not very easy. I don't like this on this product, it's not very good made. Okay, now I switch on the other side, but I prefer the left side because I'm right-handed. This BLACK+DECKER product has a 2-meter cord, extension power cord, and it can be used for drilling in metal. This is a metal drill bit up to 13 millimeters of thickness, and also for wood, also as well of up to, this is a up to 20 millimeters in wood, and this is a concrete drill bit where you can drill up to 13 millimeters in concrete or masonry as well. So let's see how they fit. Also you can use this drill for screw driving purposes, where you can attach a magnetic holder and you can use for this different type of drill bits depending PH2, PH1, PZ, flathead or any other type of drill bit attachments for screws. I must say the chuck it's quite fine, it's going easy, and let's see, I'll plug it and hear how it's working actually. So in order to screw properly, you have the drill selector has to be in a drilling position, and let's hear the motor, how it's working. Of course If you want to screw the screws, you have to put on the right side the selector in the forward, of course. Not so bad. Let's see. And also I see this is a little bit difficult, you know, to lock the variable speed switch. Let's see how it's working in reverse as well. Yeah, we don't hear the same sound like when it's forward. Now I'm gonna change and use some other drill. I'm using one for metal first. Let's see what kind of impression we can get from this with this drill. Okay, not very fast. You have to put the drill selector in a drilling position for metal always. The hammer action, the hammer position action, it's for concrete and masonry and brick. So let's see how it's working. This is reverse mode. Now we put in forward mode. Forward, reverse, forward. It's the maximum speed. Now we put in a reverse mode every time the drill gets stuck, so we can easily pull from the wall or metal or whatever will get stuck, or wood or plastic. So once again, for metal it's up to 13 millimeters. Now we put the masonry drill bit, which is up to 13 millimeters, and we can use both actions when drilling in brick or some lighter material. We can put the drill selector in the drilling mode. When we drill in the concrete, we have to put in hammer actions so we can do a better performance. I'm preparing a video where I will explain you what type of drill bits there is, how many different types, and their practical uses. Thank you for watching.